welcome back to RC For All, and today we have another girls unboxing review. Today we are going to be doing My Life Radio Control Personal Transporter. And I am so excited because my American Girl doll is going to put her feet in these little foot holders and ride around on a little scooter. It looks really cool and fun. I think that is so cool. Comes with a lot of different things. You can, instead of using the controller, you can use your phone, but today we're going to be using the controller. And it lights up, it charges with USB, ready to run, all batteries included, and it has 7 pieces. We're going to unbox it and then take it for a test drive. So we got it all out of the box, and this is all what it comes with. The scooter, slash hoverboard thing, the controller, the helmet, the 2 knee pads, and the 2 elbow. So this is how you charge it. It's on USB, and it takes about an hour and a half, and then you are ready to drive. So right now we're on our way to the place that we are going to be filming to let my American Girl doll ride around on her little scooter, and she has her knee pads on. I didn't do her elbow pads because they're really hard to get on, so I just gave up, so I didn't want to put them on. So I'll see you there. Make it very tight. So right now we have the batteries in. She has her helmet on and her knee pads to stay safe. So let's take it for a drive.
It's a good thing she has a helmet on.
So this was actually pretty fun. I didn't think it would balance or anything, but it balanced pretty good. It fell a few times, but that's okay. At least that she's safe. But if anyone you know has an American Girl doll, this would make a perfect Christmas gift, a birthday gift, and I recommend it. Please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Bye. Make sure you subscribe. And we got a little. As you can see, we're going to the but actually Alright, so we have the
Hold on. That's a lot.
face first.
Tumble wumble.
Tumble. Wow.